YouTube is a business, and no business is against its users. Just because you're not doing it the right way, that's the reason why sometimes we see it against you. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the things, tips and tricks that you can use to reach your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel. So YouTube just released this content detection beta right now over here. This is likeness beta. It is very good and going to help users to easily do things on their own. So you can see sometimes people just take your content and then just upload it on their channel. So now you're going to do this so to just protect your content in order for you to get safe, because if you don't do it the right way, people can just copy your content, just put copyright on it, and then your channel can be demonetized. So what you're going to do right now is to go to this section where it says start now over here. So you go to this section where it says content detection. Right on your channel dashboard like this, all you need is to go to this section where it says content detection. Okay, so you go to your content detection over here, and then what you're going to do is to go to this section where it says copyright detection beta, likeness beta. Right over here, you click on that, and then you go to this section where it says start now. So you can read through it. So the agreement is biometric, which is going to help you decide how you create your content. If AI and any other creator is doing it the same way, they are going to just take the video off for you, so you can do this. So these are the things that we are going to do. So take a first agreement is agree to use YouTube by using biometric technology. Look for likeness. So your permission needs before you can search for your likeness on your YouTube. Okay, and then now second step is to take a photo of your ID and record a brief video of your face. Right, and then last one says check your email. After the verification, after you passes the review, they are going to help you do that. So now let's start with it. So go to the section where it says continue, so you can read through it. So as usual, most people do not read, so you just have to accept their terms and conditions over here. Just accept the two and then hit on agree and continue. Right, after doing that, you have to scan with your mobile phone right over here. So with which I'm going to use my iPad to do this on this channel. Okay, I'm going to use my iPad. I just wanted to display my iPad screen, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to do it right now over here by just turning on my camera like this and then switch on my Wi-Fi. Yes, so I'm going to just take a picture of that, just scan the QR code over here and then open it with my browser like what you see right now. Okay, so I'm using Google Chrome to do it. Alright, so I'm just going to pause the video to do all these things and then get back to you guys. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to do. So you can read, I don't know whether you can see it over here. So the first one says take a selfie of your ID. Take a photo of your ID and then a brief video, or take a brief video. This used to verify you are a real person and the ownership of this ID. Okay, so I'm going to go straight to that and then do it. So after doing the review, this is the message that you're going to get. Your verification is in review right over here. So this is what exactly the verification is. So now let's talk about the verification. This allows them to detect your content automatically without even informing you, because sometimes you just have to go to the section where it says copyright before you can detect your content if it was being used by others. So you can see removal request. So you can see over here I just ask YouTube to remove one of my videos because it was being uploaded here and somebody also re-uploaded the same video on another channel. So I just requested YouTube to remove that video from YouTube for me. Yes, so this is the reason why it's very important. So you can see over here it says video removed. Okay, you can see over here it says video removed. All right, over here. So this allows you to become free on YouTube without even your notice. So if you are a content creator, this settings is going to help you to automatically optimize your YouTube channel for better. This is how you can do your review likeness better on YouTube. You see over here says URL verification is in review. Stay safe, peace out, see you in my next video.